Hey guys, this is Joseph Cadavos. I am one of Brent Bowers' Land Shark program students, and I just wanted to mention how blessed I am to be part of his program. I've had an incredible experience with the instruction that he's provided. Within probably a week or two of being in the program, I had already got my first land deal under contract. It's now paying me $100 a month. Just a disclaimer, I was already wholesaling for about a little under 2 years, or maybe right at 2 years, with the traditional, Tom Kroll house buying business model. So the one thing though with the house buying business is I never could get it down to where I was closing. We were closing consistently, but it wasn't the same amount every month. So, we'd close 3 and then sometimes 5, 6, 7 houses. And so I wanted to find something that was just a steady income, like some of the rental houses we've picked up. Anyway, when Brent came out with his program, I was super excited because I just like land in general anyway. But then the thought of almost renting land out, just getting payments from it monthly without tenants or toilets sounded amazing. So we were already getting inquiries anyway from the postcards we sent out. And so I took his instruction and I implemented it. And before we knew it, like I said, I just joined in maybe March or April, something like that. But it's now just the first part of July. And I think I've closed, now I've had partners on some of these. I've closed upwards of $50,000 in assignment fees. And I've had, I probably have like 3 or 4 in the pipeline right now for just the regular land contracts. In addition to the one that I got originally, which is paying $100 a month. Anyway, I'm just so blessed to be part of the program. Like I said, the instruction provided was just very step by step, just like Wholesaling Inc's model anyway. And if you just digest it, whether you're a brand new wholesaler or whether you're somebody who just wants to monetize the business. I've now hired a full-time guy who just helps me assess the land because I got so busy with land calls. I had to slow my mail down just so I could refocus back on our house side. So anyway, thanks again, Brent, for your help. Of course, Wholesaling Inc. in general for all the material that you guys have provided. And like I said, excited to strive along with anybody else out there wanting to try this land stuff out because it's pretty intense.